Another little unboxing present I got myself. It's a soldering iron, and as you can see, it's from Walmart. Try not to hit my monitor. Luckily, it was a cheap monitor from Goodwill. Oh. Tough little box. There, I got it. Trying to keep the lid on somewhat consistent. Right. I don't know where my good knife is, so here's the solder. On top of those. Alexa, light 100%. Alexa, light 100%. Oh, that was the top one. There's the top one of them. Good. There we go. Alright, I'm happy with that. Alright, these, I think they just come out. Set this down. It's a butane soldering iron, which is pretty cool. Okay. There's the box, and this is the box. That's the case, and this is about the whole unboxing. I might need to get some butane for it. I might have to read something and see if it comes with some. I'll check, actually. Quickest way to check is. I'm thinking it probably does. Yeah, it's empty. Bone dry. Oh. And I'm guessing it doesn't come with any. No. I'll just look at this guys. Alright, I'm gonna go get the butane from my neighbor. My neighbor is not home, I guess, so. These are the instructions. This is the torch. It comes with a little reflector. That's pretty cool. So you can basically just. It's a heater now. That's like a knife. This. I noticed this. I bet y'all might have noticed it if I had it on shop, but that came like that. Don't know why. Comes with a little cover. Put that on real quick. Leg use. Like that, I'd assume. That's what it looks like it goes on. Oh wait, no, it goes on like this. Probably. Maybe it does go on the other way. Yeah, it looks like it goes farther down like that. Yeah, I guess that's just how it is. It's just a little cover. We got some solder, flux wire, which I am probably going to use up really quick. Got a sponge. I'm going to take this needle off so y'all can see the internals, because that's what I'm interested in. Here's the little torch, little butane burner. And then this comes out, I guess. Oh, I see. You're able to just unscrew the tip. The cover off filter on the tip, and if I can do this with my one hand. Okay, there, I got it. If I get the glasses, you just unscrew it. Just a little quicker. There, I got it. Like open a flame, and then you just put that on if you want it to reflect it to stuff. Also, watch is doing great. I love it. Really nice. Alright, that's pretty much this video. I'll make another video, I guess, when I get some butane. Lied. That's not the end of the video. I just wanted to show the little spark. I think that's cool. I love the crystals that make that little spark. Really neat little piece of quartz. I can do that. Cool. Alright, end of the video. Cut. Here's a little bit of me preparing the boards. I'm going to take this on. I'm going to be removing the capacitors. I did discharge them, so no pop. This isn't electric boom or spiral pyro. Again, nice and clean. Got some rubber and alcohol. That's all I'm using. You don't really want to use water, obviously, because electronics. The hell, I'm not going to be putting a charge through any of this stuff, anyways, until I actually get a point to use them. Like, well, a reason, not a point. Yeah, just cleaning some thermal paste. Get a little more alcohol on here. Oh, I squirted it. Did not mean to do that. Grab this. I'm having to get a shot on this because it's if you are doing something like this, usually these corporations use a thermal paste that would have lead in it, though sometimes they don't. So just like wash your hands after doing this. Just be safe if you are going to be doing something like this. It can be bad if you ingest that stuff. And if it's like my mini PC, I didn't do a video on taking that apart, but I took it apart and they have a mercury based thermal paste. So yeah, got to put more rubbing alcohol on here. y'all are getting the upside down view because I'm gonna hold it with my mouth. Oh, wrong direction. I'll just do that. There you go. Spin. Yeah, that's all clean. So I did discharge these capacitors, so with a screwdriver. They didn't have a charge. I'm also going to be taking those off because resistors, nice little thing to have. And the coils. I'm probably going to be taking everything off, to be honest. Because, I mean, look at all this shit. There's so much stuff like that. That would be fun to make something with. Obviously, all the capacitors, because sparks, bangs. These two. Those are like what you got in the microwave, but smaller. Same with that. That's also why I want that. These connectors could be nice. I got the connectors for this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one go together. So I got that, obviously, and just some boards. I'm pretty sure this is like a speaker. Not sure, but it looks like a speaker. This is from a washing machine, so yeah, that's probably a speaker. I could test that when I get a power supply. I'm gonna be getting a desktop power supply at some point. Those things are expensive, but they're not that hard to get if you save up. So many things. This board, that got no idea what it is. I'm gonna look up that serial number. I might see what it is. These capacitors are gonna be fun though. Look how big they are. They're not big, but they're decent. Combined with some other stuff, they would be fun. Make some big sparks and booms. Yeah. That's about it. I'm gonna be ventilating my room with a fan when I do this, so no fumes. Oh, little tiny resistors. Look at those. Cute little resistor. And here's the back of the board. Little, what is that? That's a chip. I don't know what it is, but it's probably similar to like a smaller thing that goes to this. I can't remember what a lot of this stuff does. There's a bunch of little resistors and a little more view of the back. I'm gonna need to get like a little container for these resistors because they're tiny. I don't want to lose them. Yeah, that's this part of the video. I will add it to the rest of the video. Yeah. I am gonna have to make a part 2 when I'm desoldering all this stuff because no butane, neighbor's not home, and he has butane, and stepmom's not gonna be able to get butane because she doesn't know where her part is. So I'm gonna make a part 2 tomorrow where I'm desoldering this stuff.